unbox these two in another video, and now let's check out what their little brother sounds like. So this is the Jam Classic. Let's check out what it has to offer. It continues the same jam bottle type of aesthetic that we saw on the Jam Plus. Here you have a label with some of the facts written on it. 30 feet of range, 4 hours of battery life on continuous use. So let's just unbox this and see what they sound like. I'll need a knife to open them up. You have a small micro USB cable. On the top you have something written behind the lid. So it says this jar holds more than a party. Reduce, reuse and recycle. So I guess they mean that these jars can be used for some other stuff. So there's a nice thought there. So the instruction guide comes in a nice small little plastic packet, and on the back you have instructions to register your product. So yeah, it's a standard quick start guide. Here you have the speaker itself, and it's fairly small. It's just a single driver, so it's a mono speaker. On the bottom you have a auxiliary in, a charging point via USB, micro USB, the volume up and down, and play pause, and the Bluetooth connectivity indicator. So let's just start them up. And to get an idea of sound, I'll just pair them with my phone quickly. So this required a pin, so I tried the standard 4 zeros and it's supposed to have connected. So let's just play something. For its size, the loudness is pretty good. The clarity also is not bad at all. What I'll do is, for the sake of comparison, this thing is supposed to be priced at 2990. So to compare it with something equally priced, I'll take the MTV Twister. Okay, here is it. And pair my phone with this and see the sound quality. That should give you a fair idea of what the Jam Classic sounds like. We'll get back to you with a full review soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.